Hey guys, it's Haley, and today what I'm going to be doing is opening up this Jam and Jellies jar of slime, I guess. So let's do it, and I actually bought this off of eBay for, let me see, $5.99. I bought a bunch of these a long time ago, and I made them. I bought a kit where I got to make Jam and Jellies, and it says blueberry scented, squishy, and squishy like slime. It doesn't say and, but put it in your own words. This is what the jar looks like, so I'm guessing that it did come from a kit at one time, and someone made it, I guess, because this ain't from the real Jam and Jellies. Let's take it out. Okay guys, this isn't really working. The only thing I don't like is that Jam and Jellies containers are really, really small. This is actually a really good slime. It does not smell like blueberries. Oh, it smells like blueberry jelly. Really clicky and lots of pops. Love that feature. Let's try making a slime swirl. This video is also sponsored by my fortune teller shop. If you want to go check that out, in the description below, it is called Haley's Fortune Tellers. Boom, boom. Okay, so let's put this slime away and let me show you. I don't sell these online. I sell these in the yard, and also sometimes I do sell them online, but not a lot. Okay, so I do Mondays from 5 to 6:30, Thursday to 5 to 6:40, Friday. Okay, so I sell Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday I do 1 to 3, which is extra hours, and then on Saturdays I do 4 to 6:30, Friday 4 to 6, Thursday 5 to 6:40, 5 to 6:30. Stop. I'm not stop. I've already had to redo this video once, so stop. Okay, so I'm going to show you the ones I have. The ones I have are these ones. Some of them have pictures on them, some of them don't. I have Create Your Owns.
He was going for a ride on the trash can.
This one, which doesn't have any other fortunes. You have to make the fortunes. This is the Create Your Own. This is a Create Your Own.
And I saw something sitting on the side.
I don't have to.
And I thought, that looks like a fly. And then it rode back down. And it was
This one is a Create Your Own.
And it was flat.
And this one is a number and words Create Your Own. Then I have, let's show you. And I have little ones. And these don't have any fortune tellers in them. It's just to act like it. And it keeps going on and on and on and on. Put these back, and I keep an extra supply paper. And I have baby fortune tellers at 50 cents. The make your own fortune tellers are $1.30, and then 1 for only $1, 2 for $2, 3 for $3, 4 for $4, and 5 for $4.50. Thanks for thanks for being interested in my fortune teller shop. If you are, message me on Snapchat because I will link my Snapchat in the description below. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!